Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tractor mirrors is probably one of the most overlooked safety features on your tractor, but trust me, they're essential. Whether you're maneuvering in tight spaces, backing up with attachments, or simply keeping an eye on your surroundings, having a clear view is crucial. In this video, we'll dive into the world of tractor mirrors, exploring what makes a great set and helping you choose the perfect ones for your needs. Number 5. John Deere Tractor Mirror Assembly DM2455000. Are you looking for a way to improve your tractor's visibility? This mirror assembly is designed to do just that. It provides a wider angle view, reducing blind spots and enhancing your driving experience. This mirror assembly is compatible with several John Deere 5000 and 6000 series tractors. Specifically, it fits models like the 5055E, 6430, and many more. Check the list to see if it fits your tractor. Made with high-quality ABS material, this mirror assembly is built for superior efficiency and durability. Its sturdy structure ensures it can withstand the demands of daily use, saving you time and energy. Installing this mirror assembly is simple and quick. It's a direct replacement for your existing mirrors, using screws for easy installation. No modifications are needed, saving you valuable time. This mirror assembly is a direct replacement for the DM245-5000. It's designed to fit perfectly and function seamlessly. You can easily replace your old mirrors with this improved version. What we like. This mirror features a durable ABS housing, ensuring longevity even in tough conditions. Its wider angle view enhances visibility, reducing blind spots for safer operation. If you're looking for a direct replacement with easy installation, this is the perfect choice for your John Deere tractor. What people say. It fit with no problem and was very easy to install. You can see your surroundings very well in the tractor without having to turn around and look to see if something is behind the tractor. They bolted right up and feel sturdy without vibration. Number 4. Jetuplusllc 7.1 inches by 5.4 inches Magnetic Mirror Kit. Introducing the Jetuplusllc Magnetic Mirror Kit. This kit is designed as a direct replacement for your tractor or mower. It's easy to install and provides a clear view. This mirror kit is compatible with John Deere Universal tractors and Kubota mowers. It's a versatile solution for your equipment. It's designed to fit perfectly. The mirrors measure 7.1 inches by 5.4 inches. This size provides a wide field of view. It ensures you can see everything behind you. The kit includes 2 mirrors. This allows you to have a mirror on both sides of your equipment. They are magnetically attached for easy use. This mirror kit is a direct replacement. It's easy to install without any modifications. It's a simple upgrade for your machine. What we like. This mirror offers a magnetic mounting system, allowing for quick and easy attachment to various surfaces. Its universal fit makes it compatible with a wide range of tractors and mowers. If you need a versatile and easily removable mirror, this one is ideal for you. What people say. The mirrors are very sturdy and well built. The mirrors are easy to install. The mirrors provide a clear and wide field of view. Number 3. Replacement 9x16 Tractor Mirror. This mirror is a universal replacement for many tractor brands. It's designed to fit models from John Deere to Versatile. This makes it a convenient choice for various farm equipment. The mirror offers a supersized view with its 9x16 dimensions. This provides a wider field of vision. It helps the operator see more clearly. This mirror is compatible with several tractor brands, including Case IH, Challenger, AGCO, New Holland, and Massey Ferguson. It's a versatile solution for your needs. The mirror clamps onto round or square tubes. It fits tubes with a diameter of 12 to 118 inches. This makes the installation process straightforward. The mirror features a clear glass surface. This ensures a clear and unobstructed view. It enhances safety and visibility while operating the tractor. The mirror has an adjustable center mount. This allows for easy positioning and angle adjustment. It helps the user get the best view possible. What we like. This mirror boasts a supersized design, providing an expansive view for enhanced safety. It's a universal replacement, fitting a variety of tractor brands. If you prioritize maximum visibility and a wide field of view, this mirror is a great option. What people say. Fit perfectly and actually better than the factory originals. Was bigger than the one the machine came with but works better for me. I like the large size and easy to install. Number 2. John Deere Tractor 7x12 Extension Mirror Kit. This extension mirror kit is designed for John Deere tractors. It significantly improves the driver's field of vision, making it easier to see what's behind and beside you. Specifically designed for John Deere models 8295, 8320, and 8345, this kit ensures a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward, and it seamlessly integrates with your tractor. Made with high-quality materials, this mirror kit is built to last. It can withstand the rigors of daily use in the field, providing reliable performance. The 7x12 mirrors offer the perfect balance of visibility. They provide a clear and wide view, enhancing safety and operational efficiency. The kit includes all necessary hardware for a quick and easy installation. You'll have the mirrors mounted and ready to go in no time, improving your tractor's functionality. What we like. This mirror is an extension kit, designed for specific John Deere tractor models. If you have a compatible John Deere tractor, this kit is designed to fit your needs. It is easy to install and provides a great view. What people say. These Maverick mirrors have an extendable arm which is long enough to allow them to be mounted to the ROPS and extended forward past the operator's seat. They are extremely adjustable and the convex mirror gives good coverage. Now I have a 360-degree view around my tractor at all times, ensuring people, horses, and pets are clear of the tractor and whatever implements I have attached. Number 1. Grand Orange Tractor Mirror, Universal Fit. Introducing the Grand Orange Tractor Mirror. This universal mirror is designed for a wide range of vehicles, providing enhanced visibility and safety. This mirror is compatible with compact tractors, riding mowers, and golf carts. It's designed to fit many different models, making it a versatile choice. The mirror meets original equipment standards, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. You can trust its quality and durability. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no special tools. It's designed for a direct fit, so you can get it up and running quickly. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, please contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This mirror offers a universal fit, making it compatible with compact tractors, riding mowers, and more. Its easy installation and OE standard ensure a seamless replacement experience. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install mirror, this is the one for you. What people say. Magnets hold strong, so no worries about them falling off, and they are clear, decent quality. I like how you can also adjust them and they hold their position. They are perfect for this application. If you need to remove the loader, you can slide them off and put them out of the way. When you bump them with branches, etc., they pivot on the swivel base and you can adjust them back to the way you want without getting off the tractor. Easy to attach. Strong magnets and mirrors are adjustable. Nope, these stick like they are glued on and the mirrors stay where I set them. Great to be able to see behind you without turning around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.